Hey friends, today's video is about some simple and quick Mother's Day gifts that won't break the bank. If you're looking for a last-minute gift idea for your class, I've got you covered. So let's get started. Today's video is going to be quick and to the point with 4 simple gift ideas that kids can give to their moms for Mother's Day. Idea number 1 is a bouquet of flowers, but not your ordinary kind of bouquet. For this one, all you need is a Xerox machine, some markers, and black construction paper. Take your kids on a field trip down the hall to the teacher's workroom and make a copy of each kid's arm. Have them make a fist like they're holding a bouquet of flowers and then place their arm on the copy machine and hit start. After you've made the copies of each kid's arm, take them back to the class and have them cut out the picture of their arm. Then give them each a box of markers and have them draw a bouquet of flowers coming out of their hand. They should draw the stems coming out of the top of their hand with the flowers, and then below their hand, draw the bottoms of the stems, and the result makes it look like they're holding a beautiful bouquet of flowers. Mount the pictures on black construction paper, and it makes an adorable Mother's Day card that moms are going to keep forever. I used to do those with my class every year, and the best part is it doesn't cost you a dime. Okay, idea number 2 is to make Mother's Day coasters. For this project, you need small ceramic tiles that you can buy at your local Home Depot or Lowe's. They're about, 3 or 4 inches square. Have the kids draw a picture on a piece of white paper that'll fit on the tile, then cut out the picture and glue it to the tile, and then you use Mod Podge to paint over top of it. After they dry, the kids are going to have a really cute little coaster to give their moms as a gift. I think moms would really love using them with their morning cup of coffee or tea, right? Those are so cute. All right, idea number 3 is to have your kids fill out a special questionnaire about their mom. If you want something really no prep, this one is it. You can have questions on it like, my mom is the best at blank, or one thing my mom always says is blank, or my favorite thing to do with my mom is blank. Just a whole bunch of sort of sentences that the kids complete about their mom. Have them roll them up and tie them with a ribbon, or you can slip them in a special time capsule envelope for moms to open now and then save them forever as a special memory of how their kids felt about them when they were in first grade. This is super easy, but it's really meaningful for moms. And then finally, idea number 4 is if you really want to go all out and have a little Mother's Day celebration in your classroom. You could have a Sundae Fun Day where you invite moms into your class to enjoy an ice cream sundae bar with their kids. I used to do this with my class too, and my moms really loved this one. Kids can fill out a special letter ahead of time that tells the scoop about their mom, and then they tell their mom's favorite color or their favorite food or things they like to do, just stuff like that. And then kids can make a special card that looks like an ice cream sundae. This one is cute. It's like a little lift the flap where each page lifts up. And if you want to have them make a gift for their mom, they can make a cute little ice cream sundae craft. All you need for this are those little small clear plastic cups you can buy them at the grocery store. Fill them with bath salts, and then you pop a bath scrunchie on top and glue a little small red pom-pom to look like the cherry on top of a sundae. Then you can add a little plastic spoon or a straw to finish it off. It's a very cute gift, and you can have those waiting at each kid's desk along with the ice cream sundae card that they made for their moms. It's just a fun day for kids, and moms really love the pampering. You can find out more about these ideas in the description below, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you did, subscribe to my channel, and as always, remember to make learning feel like play, and I'll see you next week.